Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here with another Jurassic World figure unboxing. Today we'll be taking a look at 3 of the old 2018 figures of the blind bag assortment, or mini action dinos. And these guys recently came out at a local Walmart, which is interesting. I haven't seen these in a long time, and it was a good chance to finally complete my minis collection for this lineup. So today we'll be taking a look at what are inside these bags. We'll start off with this one here, and feels kind of like there's a bit of plastic in there holding a dinosaur's legs from getting bent, so it might be a theropod, one of the meat-eating dinosaurs from the lineup. Let's take a look. And this guy is blue, one of the figures I currently don't have. And this one's really neat because it has movable legs, so you can pose blue in a running action, or jumping, looking up, or even looking down, and that is really neat. I love the details in these smaller figures. They've got some paint on the bottom, so you can see there's a lighter wash, and then some details like the blue stripe, and you can even see the eye is painted as well. And these little figures are really neat for photography and can work as baby dinosaurs. You can see the scale there with the ones in the back. Let's take a look at what else is in this lineup first. We got the Stegosaurus, Pteranodon, Triceratops, and Ankylosaurus, Indoraptor. There's even a green Tyrannosaurus Rex in this one. And the Metriacanthosaurus is pretty cool. And there's a Spinosaurus even, the Suchomimus, Carnotaurus, and Allosaurus. And there's a few sets on the back as well. So let's get to the next figure. This one's pretty flat, so it might be the Pteranodon. And there we go, it is. Oh, this one's so cute. You can see the details on the head. It's got a little nostril there, a little eye painted, and it's a nice coloration too. It's this orange and brown. You can see it's got some washing on the butt end and the back, as well as the tips of the wings have some brown. And you can see the wing membrane has some detailing on it as well, with some cross fiber like patterns. And then on the bottom you can see it's got some vein like patterns. And there's a little Jurassic World symbol. And this one's quite cool because its little action feature is it can flap its wings up and down, so you can pose it and make it fly. And they also rotate, they're on ball joints, so you can make it do pretty funky things. And they go all the way down as well. That is super cute. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Let's see what this guy is. Top off. Oop. And we have the Triceratops. This one's really cool. I think I have the green one from the figure sets on the back, this guy here. And this one's the iconic brown version, which I don't have. And this guy has this rotating head. It's got a little ball joint going on there, so you can make it look down. And the head also rotates. You can make it look sideways and even up, like that. And that's really neat for this figure because ceratopsians have a little ball joint on the back of their head, on their vertebra of the neck. So they could actually do this. They could actually rotate their head around like this. So that's really neat. And it's got loads of detail on the head that is completely accurate to the movie. You can see there's even these small details on the frill of these little scales and big scales, a nice assortment of different types. And along the body too, you can see there's a large one there, small ones, and wrinkles on the body. This is one of the most detailed figures of the lineup, and I love the colors on it too. You can see there's a dark brown on the back, and I don't think there's anything on the bottom, but this figure doesn't need any paint on the bottom. It's already wicked. And you can see on the frill too, it's got this brown paint job as well. And the horns are each individually painted, which is really nice, makes them stand out more. And not really something that's easy to do on these smaller figures. So there we have it. We've got the Triceratops, the Pteranodon, and Velociraptor Blue. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more content, and I'll hope to see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.